Good afternoon. It is 1:50 p.m. on Monday. Yeah, that fun day. June 23rd, 2025. Sorry. Just got back from doing laundry. And, well, yeah, as you can possibly see, up there and up there, bleach spots. And got a couple shorts like this. Not going to carry them. Perfectly good shirt. Just been messed up by bleach. I'm not good at doing laundry. Single bachelor. I do try to separate it, but I still have a habit of bleaching everything. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm doing good to get the clothes washed. I try. But I've messed up more shirts and pants than I care to count because of bleach. Yeah. I probably should, yeah, make sure I hire out that job in the Philippines. I understand that it don't cost that much over there. We'll see. Oh, tired. It's been a busy morning. Uh, got a little few things done this morning in the way of some packing. Still waiting on the luggage. It's supposed to show up Thursday. That was kind of a setback. Uh, had it last week. Really would like to have. Turns out it was busted up. Had to send it back. Wait for the refund. Order new bags. Yeah. Nothing like about a 2 week delay. A week and a half. It is what it is. But that's okay. Trying to get things figured out and such. And I'm just starting to sit next to, set up little trash bags near me. Because it seems like every time I turn around, I just go, trash. And I know that, like I said, this shirt condition, the shirt itself is in, solid shirt. It's just bleached. I don't know. I think I might try to ship these off to my cousin. Of course, for him, they would probably be tenths. But hey, it is what it is. Uh, I don't know about you, but I hate seeing something go to waste. The trash trucks going through the alley and making noise caught my attention. And oh my gosh, it's already, yeah, coming up on 2 already, and I need to get some sleep. Really would like to be able to sleep more days. Uh, Going to a lunch tomorrow. Some strange reason, people like talking with me. Yeah, friends. One of those things. But yeah, that's a good thing. Gonna miss a few people here. Yeah, actually, hopefully, they'll live good long lives. That's what I'm planning. I want to take and live long. I would be content and happy if I could make it to 85 years old, But I'm not going to worry about it. I do or don't. It's the future. I can't do anything about it other than try to eat healthier now, exercise more, and not let stuff stress me. Yeah, so that is what I plan on doing. It's why I want to go to the Philippines, is because I can go over there, live, and be more at peace, less stress. Stress kills you. That's just a straight up fact. Stress kills, and I don't need it. I'd rather go over there and die of old age broke than sit here and die behind the desk, you know, making money. Now, it'd be nice if I was independently wealthy, but I'm not. I'm just a poor boy Texan. And yeah, what I'm getting from Social Security ain't that much. But between it and what little other stuff I got coming in, and it's not a lot either, but it'll help. And I'll be middle class Filipino and be happy with it. Like I said, I want to go fishing. Fish bait's cheap. I'm not worried about all the other stuff. I, you know, don't get me wrong, I like to go out on need on occasion, but I can afford to do that over there more than I do here. But yeah, still don't. I'd just as soon cook for myself in most cases. Uh, but yeah, I'll be able to afford to eat out and be good over there, be happy with myself over there. And like I said, fish bait's cheap. Pretty much everything else over there is cheap. I'm going to get my eyes done, get to where I can see again, and go be a beach bum. The stress that we get from working here in America and constantly trying to pound away at making dollars, you know, I just don't see the reason anymore. And you can't take it with you. Now, you can leave it to somebody, and I guess if you got somebody to leave it to, that'd be good. And a few people that I would be willing to leave something, yeah, they're on my aunt's side. So, and what little I've got that I'm wanting them to get, I'm pretty much giving it to them now. It's one of those things. Asked about if I had to have, a power of attorney in case I leave before the house actually gets done. And she thought that I could do it, power of attorney, and do it over the internet. Like, I'm not sure I like that idea, but beats the idea of coming back or delaying going to the Philippines. I don't like it, but I don't know. And if I do that, I'm probably going to try to do it through my bank. Uh, yeah. Get with people I know. Don't get me wrong, I don't usually like bankers, but Amarillo, here in Amarillo, my bank's the best. And there's a reason I like my bank. They've always been good to me, taking care of any problem I ever had. Matter of fact, I went in to go do the notary and get a piece of paper notarized and sent off. They took care of it. Didn't charge me anything. Yeah, I have no problem with my bank. Most bankers care less about them. Anyway, I'm tired. It's been a long day for me. It's kind of boring at my job today. Slow, but that's okay. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. I hope your work week's off to an easy one and that you can have a good one. Yeah, I'm Fish. Letter blessings, bye bye. Fish, and yeah. You know that thing, right? Fish is out. Oh, hang on. Hey,